It's lunchtime and I'm all about keeping it simple. It's a very busy day. I don't want to be spending all day in the kitchen trying to make a fancy lunch. Most effective things, most important things, get them out the way and then get your day on. So for this, I'm gonna have some Daring chicken, buffalo flavored. This is 330 calories with 39 grams of protein. Then we also gonna have 230 grams of asparagus. I got it on a food scale already, weighed it out. I'm actually chop off the ends. So I'm gonna take the Daring chicken, throw it right in the air fryer. We're gonna do that right now. Put it on 400 degrees. I'll put it on 13 minutes and then I'll just check it as I go. So while this is cooking in the air fryer, I'm gonna go ahead and saute this asparagus, put that on the skillet. And while that's cooking, we're gonna have a protein shake as well to get that protein intake up, but also to get some fruits in. All right, so when you consume your veggies and your fruits, you don't always have to eat them raw. You can also just throw them in a smoothie, protein shake, whatever it may be, and you get them in that way so you still get those nutrients. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna have the BBP vanilla ice cream this time, and then a banana, and I'm gonna put in, I'm still debating if I want mango, frozen mango, or frozen pineapples. Maybe we'll do both, all right? And then with some almond milk, and we'll be good to go. Just gonna add a little bit of sazon up in there. Just like that. 4 grams of the vegan butter. Put it right on there. Add a little bit of the sazon on the asparagus. All right. So I cooked my food way faster than I expected. So this is all done, all wrapped up. I'm gonna just go ahead and drop it all in there. Not fancy, but very tasty. All right, there we go, family. Super quick and easy, 2 foods only, 375 calories, 44 grams of protein. Now y'all can add more to this as you want. I'm trying to keep it simple because I got a lot of work to do today. You can add some onions, some mushrooms, oyster mushrooms, some healthy fats, some avocado, peppers, bell peppers, whatever it is that you want to add, feel free. I'm just showing you the basis of what I'm doing on this specific day. Now let's knock out our protein shake. So I'm gonna take this whole thing, I'm gonna put it on the food scale. And like I said, we gotta keep everything weighed out, so we know exactly how many calories we're taking in. Pour the milk in there and get that to about 480. Now let's grab the BBP vanilla ice cream protein powder. This one is not open. Let me see if I got another one that's open already. Okay, I found one that's already open. Grab your protein powder, head over to bbpsups.com. Order as many as you like. Reset the scale. Add in 100 grams of a banana. Let's see, that's 95. That's good enough for me. Reset the scale. And we're gonna keep it simple, just adding a few strawberries. Frozen strawberries, should I say. 100 grams of frozen strawberries specifically. All right. There we go, 96 grams. That's fine, but I'm just adding a small one. Got it to 99. Now we're good to go. And there we go. So keep in mind, you can make yours as thick or as loose, watery, whatever you want to call it, as you want to. Just add in more liquid if you want more of a loose texture, and then add in more solid foods, bananas, all that good stuff if you want it more thick. This is greatness. I want to invite you to join the Built by Plants Pocket Coach, which is our private community and app where I have all the tools, the resources, the courses, and the community to help you succeed towards your goals. We have an actual drag and drop meal plan builder that's going to allow you to grab foods that are inside of what we call the virtual kitchen. It's basically all of our plant-based recipes that have been designed to specifically work for the calories and the protein that you need so you can make some progress. You can take the meals out of the virtual kitchen and drag and drop them onto your meal plan builder. And every day, Monday through Sunday, it'll let you know what you're taking in, a recipe video to show you how to make them, also how many calories for that specific day, so you can stay structured. Also, it's going to give you a virtual grocery list so you can grab only what you need so you're not wasting money when you get into the grocery store. I know that sounds perfect, but let me tell you the rest. It's also have a private community and an actual app that you can download from the App Store or the Android store so you can post inside of our community. Similar to like Facebook without all the junk, this is specifically towards people that have goals, that want to see themselves succeed on a plant-based diet. Even if you've been plant-based for 15 years, you can always make progress towards how your body looks. And that's what this is geared towards. So all of our community members are posting their meals, they post their workouts, they ask questions, and every Sunday we meet on a Zoom call where we're connecting, we're growing, we're creating new recipes from scratch, we're meal prepping together, doing all type of cool things that's going to help you stay in line and stay mentally prepared and mentally focused so you can actually reach your goal, right? I know you only lost 20 pounds before, but guess what? It usually comes right back. Because you don't have no support, you don't have no accountability, you don't have no guidance, you don't have nobody in your life in this area that's helping you make progress. And that's what I want for you. Once you go to that next page, it's $27 per month in order to get the Pocket Coach. And you could cancel if you don't like it, but you're not going to cancel, you're going to love it. I will see you inside the Pocket Coach so I can help you make progress towards your goals and stick with this lifestyle for the rest of your life. See you in a few.